Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to change notification sound in Galaxy S24 FE. First of all, open the settings app, then scroll down and select sounds and vibration, and from here you can see notification sound. Click on this and from here you can see different notification sound. So select the sound which you want to change and we select this. By applying this method you can easily change notification sound in Galaxy S24 FE. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.